Guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make glitter gel or slime, whatever. And here I already have a bottle of slime that I got at Pojo's. It was like 20-30 tickets. So this is what it looks like. Take it out of the bottle. I'm in my bathroom over my sink, just in case I make a big mess and I on my carpet. To clean it up. So this is what it looks like. There's a big book right there. I can't pop it. But yeah. This is what it looks like. It has lots of stuff in it because my friend dropped it. But that's okay. So just look like this, and this is what the glitter looks like. I'm going to be using that purple or pink. The other colors, I'll show you. There's either white, might use white, purple, pinkish, orange, and green. This looks like blue on the camera, but it's actually green. So yeah, which color should I use? I'm gonna hold up the. Okay, so this is what the white looks with the purple. Comment down below if you like that better. And this is what the orange looks like with the purple. Here. Okay. And this is what the green looks like with the purple. Or blue, if you guys want to call it blue. And this is what the purple looks with the purple. I kind of think that the white will show up better. So I'm going to do the white. So I'm just going to close this and open the glitter. So what I'm going to do is open the glitter. I'm going to get scissors real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done. So I'm just going to get scissors, cut this open, and just try to pour as much as I can without spilling. But it's going to be kind of hard. And you can use Mod Podge, but I'd rather not because it would just make a big mess. Or it wouldn't make a big mess. It would just, I don't know. I don't think it would even help with it. So yeah. I'm just going to sprinkle it just a little bit. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. And then once you have like this much on your thing, you probably can't see it that much. You're just going to want to mix it in. So yeah, if you guys haven't been to Pojo's, I live in Idaho, Boise, Idaho, if you guys didn't know that. So yeah, that's where Pojo's is, if you guys were wondering where I lived and stuff like that. Oh, it looks so pretty. In person it looks like blue glitter, but it's actually white. Okay, I'm going to turn it over so I can get it all covered. You guys can see it happening. And I still have kind of a lot of glitter left. So yeah, this actually worked out pretty well. I thought it was going to be a big fail, but I guess not. My hands have lots of glitter on it, but that's okay because I can just go like this. No, I can't. But yeah, it's so pretty. I'm going to put the rest on here. Just make it more glittery. Ooh, it's so pretty. I might just put all the colors on there. I kind of want to put the purple on there. No, should I guys? Or should I not? I think I should. So yeah, I'm just going to dump the rest on there. Whoa, that got everywhere. You're really going to want to mix it in. And if there's a whole bunch in the sink, or if there's a whole bunch in the box or whatever you're doing it in, just get it from there. Or bowl, not box. What am I talking about? I'm stupid. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do another color. I'm gonna do the orange. Snip that off. Just do a little bit. I'm gonna look into it real quick. Alright. You can't really see the orange in this. But yeah, this side is really pretty. It's not blended in too well, so that's good, because you can actually see the popping colors. All of this looks like I put green or blue on it. It's really pretty. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. You guys can't see it at all. It just looks like normal glitter, but it actually looks really pretty. So yeah, I've never really done this before, so it's my first time. Like I told you guys, I think, I don't know, I forget lots of things because I don't have a great mind at all. So yeah, comment down below if you think this was gonna work, and if you didn't think that this was gonna work, well, it actually did. And you can, I'm gonna squish it up because it can tear apart like that, so I'm just gonna squish it up and stuff to make it mix it everywhere. Oh my gosh, there's a huge clump of glitter in this one spot. I don't know if you can see that, but it's all right there. Here, it's like a big clump of glitter, orange glitter. I really have to mix it well. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the rest on. Oh my gosh, I got a whole bunch on my finger, on my hand. I could use this as fairy dust for Halloween or something. Seriously, this is legit. I'm just dabbing it in my sink. Right, now I'm gonna do green. Sorry if this video is so long just for a small little project, but I'm having lots of fun with this, so I'm not going to put the purple in. I don't know why, because I think I have enough purple, with the actual, this is what the green looks like. You can't see it at all, but if you can, that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, the green actually pops in this. It's everywhere. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at my hands. Look at it. It looks really pretty. Oh my gosh. I think I put way too much. But that's okay, because I'm having fun. I'm trying not to get too much on my hands because I'm just trying to blend it in. But I think I've destroyed it already. Or destroyed my hands. I don't know. Sorry, I'm really bad at singing. You guys didn't know, but yeah. Today is Monday. I'm probably not going to be making videos every Saturday or Sunday, like I said, I don't remember. But I'm probably not going to be making videos every day because sometimes I'm busy and stuff with gymnastics and stuff. I have a whole bunch of my sink. I wish I could show you guys right now. I'm going to show you guys in just a bit how glittery my hands are. And my countertop of my desk or my sink is not very messy. But my hands are legit messy. I have really bad lighting in here. I'm sorry. But do you see that? I don't know if you can. You can see a little bit. But yeah, I'm just going to set it on this plastic thing to show you guys. And I'm going to rinse off my hands. And the sink. Oh my gosh, it's dry. After, I'm just going to rinse off my, oh shoot, I forgot that I plugged the sink. Oopsie, now I have glittery water. Okay, Oh my gosh, there's glitter everywhere. I know I was going to tell you guys that I was going to show you how glitter my sink is, but that's not happening. I'm so sorry if I already said this video is long. Just that I had really fun with that, and I'm sorry if the video took. Okay, sorry, I'm done. So that I've got already. Anyways, okay. Just rinse my hands off real quick and grab you guys. Oh my gosh, it's wet. The camera's wet. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm charging my tablet right now. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. That's what the stuff looks like. It's not too glittery, like when you hold it, it's not glittery. You don't get glitter all over your hands. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera really bad, but yeah. So like my hands aren't too glittery, but yeah, I really wish I had a better camera. But yeah, there's a big glob of glitter right there. But yeah, someday I'm gonna be doing like a morning routine. Am I doing a morning routine tomorrow? I'm not sure at all. But yeah, so pretty. It's really jingly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. Morning routine. So yeah, this is just gonna give you guys the last picture or review of the ugly Play-Doh that I've made. Well, I keep on saying Play-Doh. The slime that I made. But yeah, see that black stuff right there? That is a rock in it, and I can't get it out because it's like really stuck in there. But yeah, I didn't get it out, so yeah. I'm just gonna put it back in this little container right here, if I can. Okay, my hands are very glittery, but that's good. So yeah, that will just stay there, and my towel probably soaking wet. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below if you've tried this, and comment down below also if it worked on you or if it was a big fail. Because to me it was kind of a fail and kind of it worked and kind of worked, kind of it worked, I don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, yeah. I hoped it worked on you guys. If not, then I'm sorry. You never want to take advice from me ever again. But yeah, I'm cleaning up. I have the hiccups. So yeah, sorry this video is so long. Yeah, see you. Bye. I forgot what you guys' names are. Sprinkle critters. I don't know. Sprinkle fans. Whatever. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.